Introduction. John Austin gave the imperative theory of law. He explained law in a simple way. Law is a command given by a political superior, sovereign, to political inferiors, people, and it is backed by punishment, sanction, if disobeyed. This theory is also called the command theory. Two main elements of Austin's theory. I. Command. A command is an order given by a superior to an inferior. It expresses a wish that must be followed. 2. Sovereign. Sovereign is the supreme authority in a state whose commands are obeyed by people and who does not obey anyone else. 3. Sanction. If a person disobeys the command, punishment follows. This threat makes the law effective. Simple meaning: law is equal to command plus sovereign plus sanction. 3. Features of imperative theory. Law is created by a political superior. Law must be obeyed. Disobedience leads to punishment. Law is separate from morality. Something may be immoral but still law. Force critical examination, merits and demerits. A. Merits, advantages. 1. Simple and clear. Austin's theory is easy to understand. It explains law in a straightforward manner. 2. Focus on authority. It highlights the importance of state authority and obedience, which is necessary for maintaining order. 3. Useful in criminal law. In criminal law, rules are clearly commands backed by punishment. Example: theft leads to jail. B. Demerits, criticism. 1. Law is not always a command. Many laws are not commands. For example, laws related to contracts or wills only give options, not orders. 2. Customs are ignored. Customs play an important role in law, but Austin does not recognize them unless enforced by the state. 3. Court's role is ignored. Judges create and interpret law, but Austin gives no importance to courts. 4. Problem of sovereign. In modern democracies, it is difficult to identify a single sovereign. Power is divided. 5. International law problem. International law has no sovereign and no strict sanctions, yet it is followed by nations. 6. Law and morality separation is unrealistic. In real life, law is often connected with moral values. 5. Case study, simple explanation. Case: Maneka Gandhi v. Union of India. Facts: simple. The government took away Maneka Gandhi's passport without proper reasons. Issue: was this action valid under law? Judgment: the Supreme Court of India said that law must be fair, just, and reasonable. It expanded the meaning of personal liberty. Relation to Austin's theory. According to Austin, law is just a command of sovereign. But here, the court checked the government's command and protected rights. This shows law is not only command, it also includes justice and judicial review. Conclusion from case. Austin's theory fails to explain modern constitutional law where courts control the sovereign. 6. Contemporary relevance of Austin's theory. Even though Austin's theory has limitations, it is still relevant today. 1. Criminal law. Most criminal laws still follow Austin's idea, command plus punishment. 2. Government authority. The theory explains the importance of state power and discipline. 3. Legal positivism. Austin's theory forms the base of legal positivism, law as it is, not as it ought to be. 4. Administrative rules. Many government rules and regulations are still in the form of commands. 7. Conclusion. Austin's imperative theory is an important starting point in understanding law. It clearly explains law as command backed by sanction. However, it is too narrow and does not fully explain modern legal systems, especially in democracies where courts customs, and justice play a major role. Therefore, while it is not completely accurate today, it still has partial relevance, especially in areas like criminal law and governance.